First Lady of Edo State, Betsy Obaseki, don't talk say the way different female teams they play for this year edition of the Betsy Obaseki football tournament, they sweet her belly weller. She talked this one after the group stage match between Confluence Queens of Lokoja and Fortress Ladies of Benin City on Saturday for the match when she left for Benin City. She considered salute give Fortress FC, say she dey happy weller with the way that they play, say make them do better next time, sake of see them get ogbonge potentials.
I think today, you know her. I'm not heard of Mrs. Aisha Falode.
Yes,
wow.
yes,
President of Women's Football League. She's right here, and she was making comments that she got.
Yes. Full sense. You are very skillful, intelligent,
very skillful.
Not only limited for mother.
Even more skillful than in your seniors. What she said.
This guy is big, it's really.
So, and you guys have potential. Okay, try to play with people that are way above you. Are you able to give them one goal? You got strong potentials.
Thank you.
So it's for you to just keep working hard and practicing, and you get better and better, like our chairman said. All right? Well done.
Thank you, Mom.
For the competition, Conference Queens win defeat Fortress Queens 3-1, and Nasarawa Amazons when beat Braveheart Ladies 10-1, don't move to the quarterfinals with Edo Queens, Delta Queens, Royal Queens. Make you remember, say this tournament will start for 7th September 2022, go end for 17th September, and it focus on drug abuse.
I was here last year, and I was determined at that time to come back this year because the quality I saw, even from the teams who were beaten, gave me hope for women's football in Nigeria. So I've been watching some of the clips even before I came today. I'm impressed. Even the teams, what we call local teams, who have been drafted into this tournament, will certainly get a great benefit from it. And I can see that the technical ability from last year is at a higher level. So yes, there's been progress. I'm sure by the time we're talking about the 5th edition, we'll be talking international. Drug abuse is something that has been a real bugging problem for sports over the years in various ways. What I call the drug sport enhancing, performance enhancing drugs has a problem of its own. Then we have the even more harmful ones, which are the hard drugs that we have. Both of them are equally an antithesis to good sporting environments. Our youth should stay away from drugs. It really destroys lives, and it's unfortunately what it does is that it attracts, and it seems as if there's something good about it, but we've seen so many lives destroyed by drugs, drug addiction in particular. And the theme is extremely important, and it's apt. So I do say and repeat here, say no to drugs.
When you start and you start at that level, that's the grassroots, the secondary school, the background. I'm very happy and excited about it. And this one will talk about sports. Sports must grow from the grassroots. And this is basically a grassroots program. There's a pre-season tournament, some big teams, some small teams. I think I'm very happy with it. One good thing about this is it's a private initiative, privately driven. They have a BOT in place that will run and manage the event for a long time. Just hopefully that what the BOT will put forward match with the technical people in the BOT. I think it will go a long time. I think the key factor is the crowd. If you see any tournament that you see one or two people at the stadium, I think it makes it tick. That means that people are interested. And we just hope that by next year, you have more people at the stadium. No matter what you do, without the media, it's just, it's nothing. The way the media will blow it, you think it's more than this. And the media have been so good around this tournament. I think it will continue for a long time.
There's more enthusiasm this time around. This is a pre-season tournament. People are trying to try out their new players, but I think the attendance is good. The awareness is wonderful, and I think the quality is good. I think that is all excess of it. I look at the packaging. I think the package is world class. You saw the opening ceremony, world class, and that is what it has to be. Every year it gets bigger and getting better. So I'm so impressed. I want to say kudos to the First Lady of Edo State, the people of Edo State, for putting this showstopper. from angle at the Sports Commission, we have said that this state is a destination for sports. And we want to make sure that we package all sports well. On the 30th of this month, the state will be hosting the NFF Congress. That is wonderful. So that is the essence of all this.
Ogbonge people went under for this competition at Chairman for Edo State Sports Commission, Yusuf Ali, Edo State First Lady, Mrs. Betsy Obaseki, Chairperson of Nigeria Women Football League, Aisha Falode, and First Vice President of Nigeria Football Federation, Sheyin Akinwumi. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget your PVC and be your power. No sell and give any politician on election day.